let us know the syllabus of geography. And my suggestion to all of you is, beta syllabus ko na aap log literally by heart karna. The syllabus should be on your fingertips. Okay, see, think of, I ask you a question, write a paragraph on your home. Okay, और एक question है, write a paragraph on how your home is the consequence of political policies and economic changes in recent times. A third question है, what do you think of your home as an expression of your culture, ambitions and aspirations? तीन क्वेश्चन पूछा मैंने. All attentive? I've shifted gears now. All attentive? Yes. Rahul, Arpit, Akil, Madhusudan, Nisha. Yes. Danish. Okay. Yes. All of you attentive here? I've asked you three questions. One is, what is your home? Write a paragraph on home. My home is 1,000 square feet. My home is 2,000 square feet. My home is made up of bricks and mortar. My home is on the 10th floor. My home has 5 rooms. My home, I live with my parents, my grandparents. Okay. My home has, whatever. एक paragraph लिखो. एक और पूछा मैंने, tell us how the home, is a function of, some, economic reality, some influence of culture. और एक पूछा, your home in terms of your aspirations. Can you realize there are 3 different levels of questions? One question is, which is very, very exact, specific, information based. Or a question hai that requires a lot of relationships. To answer what is home, you must know how India's economy is changing. Yahan se 15 saal pehle, my father has this job and we lived in so and so place. As his job has improved because of India's economic reforms, he earned a bit more of money or whatever. So we have shifted to this place. Okay, because of transferable job, because of more labor integration, we have been transferred. So my home has changed. Okay, something of that kind. Pehle ke ghar hua karte the mud ke, maybe thatched roof. Because of evolution, changes in construction of building material, the houses have now changed. There was a time when homes had toilets outside the house, right? Okay, all integrated. Okay, a third aspect, your aspiration, your thinking. So in my opinion, my home is the best. Or in my opinion, the home I live in is not what I want to live in the future. In my opinion, I have got 2 homes. Okay, why? Probably you have your own setup where you work, and you also belong to your parents. Ye alag level ka question hai. To answer such questions, you need to know a lot of things. Okay, you must know the home, you must know economy, you must know agriculture, economic growth, globalization. You must also know you as a person. Okay, so until you know the entire range of topics, you can't write a proper answer. UPSC mein, increasingly the focus is on integrating topics. So I might ask a question from climatology that has a link with agriculture, trade, transport and politics. I can ask you a question on crops, but link kara dunga crops with probably cultural aspects. I can link the crops probably with climate change aspects. So agar aapke paas syllabus nahi hai dhang ka understanding, you can't relate. That's why your best answers will happen once the syllabus gets over. Okay? जब मैंने पूरा पढ़ा लिया आपको 6 महीने के बाद में, that is when you actually write good answers, because then you start interlinking things. Okay? Otherwise, you're writing an answer based on what you know. आपको इतना ही पता है, इतने में लिख के आ जाओगे. If I'm giving marks, I'll give you 1 out of 10. You read 2 more topics, then this will link with 2 more topics. You read 5 more topics, you link it with 5 more topics. And that is where the challenge in scoring lies. So you'll have to be patient. Some of you are very excited about answer linking after every unit. Okay. But actually, आपके answers तब होंगे when you have done a good range of units first. That's why I'm insisting, know the syllabus very well. Think of one more example. You want to go to your room, okay? More or less in your mind, do you know where your room is? I'll get off the stairs, take a right turn, take a left turn, cross the road, go there, take a rickshaw, I'll go straight. You know that, no? It's what's called as bird's eye view. Can you ever go home agar bird's eye view nahi hai? You cannot go home. Okay? Same thing in answer writing and in revisions. If you do not have the bird's eye view of what is being taught, ye sir padha rahe hain, and this topic is linked to this, and this, you can never integrate. That's why I insist, all of you, online guys also, you must memorize your syllabus, know the syllabus word by word, all the important terms. You must know all the important relationships across the units in syllabus. So don't take it lightly. Okay, all of you will have a page of syllabus. We have given this to you, or Telegram channel mein humne post bhi kiya hua hai, right? Yes? Yeah? So I'll suggest, if you can do, take a Xerox, 10-15 Xerox of this. Har notebook mein chipka do. Put one on your table, put one in your bag. As frequently as possible, keep seeing a syllabus. Okay? And a good check on me also, what am I covering and what I'm not covering. What am I leaving for what time? Some topics I'll say, abhi nahi padhaunga, baad mein padhaunga. Why? Because it has some link with some other topics I'll teach later on. So all of you need to have your syllabus with you. Okay? Syllabus has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. There are 10 units or 10 modules of paper 1 and 10 of paper 2. Okay, and there's a design in why the syllabus looks the way it does. Okay, okay, let me explain the design now. Okay, I'll keep writing here. So there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, paper 1, 10 modules, and paper 2 also 10 modules. Paper 1 mein there are two sections. There is a section A in paper 1 and there is a section B in paper 1. And paper 2 there are no sections. Okay. Section A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, and section B also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And section paper 2 mein it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All fine on the online? Yes? Okay. Section A has, okay, geomorphology. I'm writing in short. Geomorphology. It has climatology. It has oceanography. It has biogeography. And it has environment geography. These 5 together make up section A. Geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography, and environment geography. Section B mein, there's something called as perspectives in human geography. Okay, I'll explain afterwards. Perspectives in human geography. Then we have economic geography. Then we have population and settlement geography. We have regional planning and something called as theories and models in human geography. If you look at design, paper 1 section A is entirely the physical world. What is part of the natural world? Natural world has land. Natural world has atmosphere. Natural world has oceans. Natural world has life forms, and all of this combined together as environment. This is what is the natural world. The physical. Remember, I talked about that. Okay? Physical bataya tha aapko maine. What's physical world? So, and section B is the human aspects. Economic geography mein trade, transport, industries, agriculture, minerals. Okay, settlements, where we live, cities, rural areas, Okay, population, demography, sex ratio, growth aspects, cultural aspects. Okay, something under planning, how do we plan, and some laws and theories. And in section A, section B, paper 1 mein, can you see any specific to a particular place? Is it about some particular place? No, this is the general geography entirely. So paper 1 is the general geography of the world, the general geography of the physical world, and the general geography of the human aspects of the world. Whereas paper 2 jo hai, this is the regional geography of India. It's all about India. India mein kya kiya inhone? Unit 1 or module 1 has all the physical aspects. Ye pura, entire thing has been compressed into unit 1. And this is resources. Okay, this is agriculture. This is industries. This is trade, transport. Dekho. So 2 se 10 tak, there's political geography, there is a cultural geography, there is development again. Ye pura 2 se 10 tak is the human aspect of India. Can you all see it? All of you realize the design, all of you? So general geography of the world, paper 1, and the specific aspects of India. For most of us, geography is what? For most of us, geography is landforms. Okay, and you kill yourself, sir, how to remember so many landforms. Landform is a very, very small part of geomorphology. और वो भी लिखा भी नहीं है syllabus में. Okay, most of you think geography is winds and climate. It's only one unit. Bulk of geography कहाँ पर है? The human aspects, agriculture, industries, settlement, population, political aspect, trade, transport, resources, development planning. This is geography. I mean, there was a time when geographers believed, and they still believe, that geography is a type of a mother subject. Mother subject that holds all other disciplines. In fact, there was a man, we'll talk about him, a man called Humboldt, a German. Humboldt believed that geography can become the universal science of all knowledge of Earth and universe. And he called that as the cosmos. And that's what inspired us to give name to our fortnightly gazette as Cosmos. So some people ask me, sir, geography is vast, what do we do? Okay, so see, vast hai nahi hai, that is the nature of the subject itself. Anything that happens on the planet is part of geography. Okay, any event happening on the planet has a location aspect. Geography mein aa gaya na? Tell me anything that doesn't have a location aspect. So geography will cover all of this together. Swati is asking me here, is there a psychological aspect also? Yes. Whatever man does, there's a thinking aspect, no? Okay. Aap jo road bana rahe ho, it comes from a cognition. So yes, geography has a psychological element also. Why do people cultivate? Okay. Why do we have droughts? Droughts, poverty is a psychological thing also. Yes, Swati. Yes, that will study under perspectives in human geography mein padhenge. Everything has, jahan par human aspect aa jayega, there will be a psychological aspect, there will be a cognitive aspect. There are perceptions that decide who you are and what we can do.